The Breakroom Note Board item functions as a reusable note that can be edited either by the public or by users with advanced permissions, such as region administrators and moderators. To add a noteboard to your region, go into the region editor, find the Breakroom Note Board object in your inventory list, and place the object into the region and click Save. In Red mode, each note features a title, text, and author name. There are also two buttons. The Edit button allows you to make changes to the card if you have permission to do so, or the card is set to be edited by the public. This button causes your camera to zoom in on the card in question. To look away again, simply click Zoom Out. In Write mode, you can edit the card's contents or grant editing permissions to the public. Let's go through the options. Title allows you to enter a title for the card. Description allows you to enter text that will be displayed on the card. Font allows you to choose from a variety of fonts. Text color allows you to choose from a variety of text colors. Public editing. Checking this box will open the card up for editing by anyone. If this box remains unchecked, only administrators and moderators can edit the card. Save saves your changes. Cancel cancels your changes.